Good evening, folks. It's Diamond with the Oppenheimer Ranch Project and Magnetic Reversal News, bringing you a Hurricane Isaias update. Monday, August 3rd, 11 p.m. Mountain Time 2020. Now, Isaias has made landfall just on the North Carolina-South Carolina border as Cat 1. Isaias strengthened to Cat 1 right before landfall with sustained winds around, currently, here's the update, 85 miles per hour. Now, the new models are showing this re-strengthening when it gets towards New Jersey, back into a strong Cat 1, which is why we're doing this update. So we're going to go over the storm surge potential, the rainfall totals, flash flooding warnings, and here, the current update. Doppler radar imagery and surface observations indicate that the eye of Hurricane Isaias has made landfall in southern North Carolina, 11:10 p.m. EDT, near Ocean Isle Beach, with maximum sustained winds of 85 miles per hour. A weather station at Oak Island, North Carolina, recently reported sustained winds of 76 miles per hour and a gust to 87. A data buoy near the coast of North Carolina has recently reported minimum pressure of 988. We predicted this to 986, and it may, in fact, do that. Real quick, we'll run you through the model, and we'll follow it with the wind speeds. So here we are by midday Tuesday. It's going to move up through the East Coast and then reestablish itself here at the Delmarva. This is midday Tuesday, midday tomorrow. And let's just show you some of these wind speeds up in Atlantic City. 88. Okay, this is by noon tomorrow. And then if we just play this through real quick, by late afternoon, we're going to see some gusts of over 90 miles per hour in New Jersey. And New York is not out of that either. New York showing 87 on the model here. So late day tomorrow, this is going to rapidly move up the coast here. Here we are in the evening. You see Connecticut getting pummeled with heavy winds here. Let's move this down so you can see these wind speeds. Still 80 miles per hour across Long Island. So this is anything but a mild tropical storm. This is a Cat 1 hurricane, maybe even hitting Long Island tomorrow, late afternoon. So big heads up there. Showing you the models. Here are the tropical storm force wind speed probabilities. And you can see that purple zone. That purple zone represents above 90% probability, which moves all the way up half of New Jersey and that eastern side of Long Island there, Manhattan. So we're going to be reporting on lots of bad things happening up there. We have 1 to 3 foot storm surge from Martha's Vineyard all the way down through the Chesapeake Bay. The tidal Potomac at 1 to 3 feet. Delaware Bay, 1 to 3 feet surge. 3 to 5 foot surge, possibly at Pamlico Sound, Albemarle Sound, and Neuse and Pamlico Rivers, 3 to 5 feet. 2 to 4 feet, central North Carolina. 3 to 5 feet here, South Santee River to Cape Fear. So heads up there. That's happening now. I hope you're prepared. And with the full moon, that could be a little higher. Now, here's your U.S. rainfall totals. 4 to 6 inches here, centered right here from the Mason-Dixon line down here to West Virginia and Virginia. So right in that little nexus of the Schmexis, you could see up to 6 inches. But this is going to be a huge rainmaker, which means flash flooding potential. Only moderate flash flooding potential, but thousands of square miles from South Carolina all the way up through Vermont there. So heads up in those regions. Be prepared. Do not drive through flash flooded regions. More than 6 inches of water could kill you. Once again, we'll read the final update. Doppler radar imagery and surface observations indicate the eye of the hurricane has made landfall in southern North Carolina at 11:10 p.m. EDT near Ocean Isle Beach. Maximum sustained winds of 85. And let's run it through. And you guys can prepare accordingly for what's coming. So let me just blow this up a little, and we'll bring it back. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Share this with like-minded people. Be prepared, not scared. Let this be a warning. The hurricane season has just begun. The sea surface temperatures in the East Coast are warm. The Pacific, cold. So we're going to see lots of development here in the Atlantic over the next 4 to 6 weeks. The hurricane season doesn't peak till September, folks. So get ready. It's already a record season. Be safe. That's a book.